got a very nice black drum. It's about 20 inch, I would say. It's a keeper. Wow, this one is huge. Took me about 15 minutes to get this fish on with this tiny fishing pole. You can see the line is probably somewhere between 5 to 10 pounds. And also with this tiny hook. You can see this hook is somehow bent it.